Or at least para sa akin. Yung mga kantinang babae na bata.
Alright, son!
Pretending she's beside me. I walk with her till morning. Without her, I feel her arms around me. And when I use my hand, I close my eyes and she has found me. The pavement shines like silver. All the lights are misty in the world. In the darkness, the trees are full of starlight, and all I see is her and me forever and forever. I know it's only in my mind that I'm talking to myself and not to her. Although I know that she is blind, still I say there's a way for us. I love her. I love Nagdadama pa. Siyempre pag bigo, ganyan yun. Ganyan yun. Thank you so much. Oh shit! Okay? I'm fine. Thank heaven for rough marbles.
Sandali, sandali.
Oh, Jesus, I can't believe you're driving on your own.
Huh?
Well, I can't help it. I'm on my own.
Tang inang yan.
I'm
You should have taken a grab, man.
Grab! No way.
Or a GS